Okay, here we are at a pond and waterfall I did a few years back. Had to come back after we did the startup on this one to check it out. Water's starting to clear up. We just did this recently. Some nice koi in there. Everything's grown in immensely. This is really maturing nicely. Let's check this out. The nice drop-offs right here. Good waterfall action, a double waterfall. Look at this. Got this nice weeping tree hanging over that. Looks pretty cool. Nice cascading going on. Big rock right there. Shearing off nicely. A lot of water action here. It's really good. Nice waterfall there. Coming out like that. Pan back shot. Other side. Beautiful day out today. Wow, glad it came today to look at this. Got a viewing slab right there. Pretty cool. There it is, Pond Paradise Designs.